Hello there, welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you how you can put a password on WhatsApp. So let's get started. First of all, open WhatsApp and tap on the three dot icon on top of your screen. Go to settings and tap on privacy. Scroll down till you find fingerprint lock and tap on it. Then you will find unlock with fingerprint section. Tap on it and it will ask for your fingerprint. Confirm any of your fingerprint, then it will show three options. Let's say if you do after 1 minute, the app will ask for your fingerprint unlock. After 1 minute you exit the app. Let's tap on immediately and go back. Now after exiting the WhatsApp app, let's try to open it again. As you can see, as soon as you tap on WhatsApp to open it, it will ask for your fingerprint. Now after you put on your fingerprint, then only it will open. So by this process, you can lock your WhatsApp and put your fingerprint password on the app. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe.